Hello, today we're going to do a very easy smoothie recipe. We're going to do an Oreo smoothie, and it's very simple ingredients. Some Oreo cookies, some vanilla ice cream, a little bit of milk, some ice, and of course some whipped cream at the end for garnishing. It's very easy, so we're just gonna dump all of our ingredients. We have 2 scoops of ice cream, a little bit of milk, I'm putting about 1.5 cups of milk, putting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Oreo cookies, a little bit of ice. We're going to lock our lid, and we do have a setting right here for smoothie. So we're going to click on the smoothie setting. At the same time, I'm cleaning after myself. So you can see it's very quick, and we still have about a minute left on the timer, but our smoothie, it is completely done. So I'm just going to click cancel. Gotta be very careful because it does splatter all over the lid, so we want to clean a little bit so we don't want to make a mess everywhere. Here's our perfectly mixed smoothie. Now we just add a little bit of whipped cream, and it's served. Served. Thank you.